The days are finally getting a little longer, the light is shifting, and if you listen closely, you can almost hear your plants starting to wake up. We are officially in that bridge season too early to plant outside in most places, but the perfect time to prep for the explosion of growth that's coming. Welcome back to Leaf Legends. Today, we're performing an early spring reset. I'm walking you through a professional 5-step checklist that will ensure your houseplants and your future garden are ready to thrive the moment spring hits. If you want 2026 to be your greenest year yet, it starts today. Step 1 is something many people overlook: the Great Cleanse. During the winter, dust settles on your houseplant leaves like a blanket. This doesn't just look bad. It actually blocks sunlight and prevents the plant from breathing through its pores. Take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe down every leaf. For your larger plants, you can even give them a lukewarm shower. While you're at it, clean your windows. Maximizing the returning spring light is the easiest way to jumpstart new growth. Clean leaves equal happy plants. Step 2 is the Pest Patrol. As temperatures rise, dormant pests like fungus gnats and spider mites start to get active. Now is the time to inspect the undersides of leaves and the top inch of soil. If you catch them now, you save yourself a massive headache in April. I like to do a preventative treatment with a gentle neem oil spray or even just a simple insecticidal soap. It's much easier to defend a healthy plant than it is to save a dying one once an infestation takes hold. Step 3. We're moving to the garden shed for tool maintenance. Seasoned gardeners know that a dull pruner is a plant's worst enemy. A jagged cut takes longer to heal and invites disease. Take 10 minutes to sharpen your shears and, most importantly, sterilize them. A quick wipe with rubbing alcohol ensures you aren't carrying bacteria from last year's plants into this year's growth. If your tools are ready, you'll be ready the second the soil is workable. Step 4 is the nutrient refresh. Most of us stop fertilizing in the winter, but as the light returns, your plants are going to be hungry. Check your soil levels. If the soil in your pots has subsided, top it off with fresh, high-quality compost or potting mix. I'm not quite at full-strength liquid fertilizer yet. Wait for those first new leaves to appear. But refreshing the organic matter now gives the roots the foundation they need to support a massive spring growth spurt. Finally, Step 5, the master plan. This is the fun part. Grab a notebook and map out your goals. Which plants are you going to divide? Which seeds are you starting indoors this month? Gardening is 10% planting and 90% timing. By deciding now where your new additions will go, you avoid the impulse buy trap at the nursery later. You'll shop with purpose and create a cohesive, legendary landscape. A little bit of work in late winter pays off in massive dividends come May. Your plants have survived the winter. Now it's time to help them lead. I want to hear from you. What is the very first plant you're planning to buy or seed you're planning to sow this year? Let me know in the comments below. If this reset guide helped you, hit that subscribe button to join our Leaf Legends community. We have a big season ahead of us, and I'm glad you're here for it. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.